Okay, come here. Now we crimp the W222 real air spring bag to show you. Okay. First, we set the pressure to 5. Okay, and before crimping, we need to measure the size. The W222 real piston. This is not head piston. Okay, the diameter it is 102, and the thickness of the rubber blade. One side it is 2.0, okay, two side then it is 4, and the steel ring, one side thickness it is 3.0, so two side 6 millimeter. Okay, before crimping, the total diameter it is 112. We often crimp one side thickness of the rubber, that is 112 reduced 2. So after crimping, the diameter around 110 millimeter. Okay. So we put the rubber into the machine head first. After crimping, we need to measure the size. Okay, now it is 110 millimeter. Okay, and then we check the edge of the rubber blade. If it is go up, here you can see it is okay. Then we finish crimping for this small side. Okay, we crimp another big side. Okay, so almost each time we start the pressure from 5, and also before crimping we measure the diameter. It is 136 millimeter, and the rubber section 2 millimeter one side, and the steel ring 3 millimeter one side. So before crimp, this is the diameter, and we often crimp one side thickness of the rubber. That is to say, after crimping, the diameter around 144 millimeter. Okay. Here we put the steel ring into the machine first, and put the rubber blade onto the head. We measure the size after crimping, and it is around 144 millimeter. Okay, and after crimping, we also need to check the edge of the rubber blade. Then it is okay. Then we finish the crimping for the 222 real air spring bag. We crimp the aluminum cover onto the air spring bag. Okay, this tooling also make for you. Okay. This one for the clamping for clamping the aluminum cover we also set 5. Just clamp the aluminum cover tightly to the machine to the shock absorber head.